In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split PDF pages into separate files using Adobe Acrobat. We're going to walk through this process step by step to ensure that you feel confident in managing your PDF files, whether you're organizing documents for personal use or a professional project. So, let's dive in. First things first, when you open Adobe Acrobat, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, you'll want to either click on Create or Recent Work, depending on what you see. If you've recently worked on your PDF file, it should appear under Recent Work. So go ahead and click on that option. If for some reason you don't see your PDF listed there, don't worry, we're just a few clicks away from finding exactly what we need. Now, let's say your toolbar doesn't immediately display all the tools you're looking for. In this case, a little trick to streamline the process is to use the search bar. Simply type in Split to direct you toward the tool we need for this task. This search feature is handy and can really save time, especially if you're new to navigating Adobe Acrobat's many features. Once you have the Split tool in hand, it's time to decide how you'd like to divide your document. You'll see options like splitting by the number of pages, file size, or top-level bookmarks. This choice depends on what you're aiming to achieve. For instance, if you want each page as a separate file, choosing number of pages might be your best bet. But if you're trying to manage space, splitting by file size could be more ideal. Feel free to think about what works best for your needs and select accordingly. Furthermore, Adobe Acrobat gives you the flexibility to split multiple files at once, which can be a massive time saver. If that's part of your plan, just make sure to check the corresponding option. Once you've set your preferences, go ahead and click OK. As you proceed, Adobe Acrobat will guide you with on-screen prompts to finish the splitting process. The prompts are clear and straightforward, walking you through any additional specifications such as where to save your newly split files. So just follow along and you'll be well on your way to having beautifully organized PDFs. And there you have it, a neat, simple way to split your PDF pages into separate files using Adobe Acrobat. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel ready to apply these steps. Splitting PDFs can really enhance your document management, making it far easier to keep everything easily accessible and organized. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing!